Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our weekly beer tasting for today. Here with your favorite hosts,
Garrett
and Andy. Garrett is going to be walking us through an amazing beer that we've picked up on the east side of Toronto, the neighborhood of Leslieville. So, Garrett, what are we drinking this evening?
We're going to be getting into the Black Lab Kennel Sour series. This one specifically, the mango version of it. So let's give her a quick little pop. So a couple things I wanted to talk about. First of all, look at that color. Damn! Wow. The Kennel Sour series at Black Lab is a series they continuously do. They keep a base beer style and then they change up the flavor profile with different fruits and other flavor profiles like lemonade and hibiscus and things like that. If someone is not a huge sour fan, this is definitely a way to go. You get a little bit of tartness, still a very full-bodied ale, and at the same time, if you enjoy mango, you're gonna get a big old whopping hit of that at the same time.
This was not brewed in a kennel.
Not brewed in a kennel, not that I'm aware of. Black Lab, they're a big dog-friendly brewery. You can bring your dogs in, they have doggy treats. I'm pretty sure they also have doggy beer. A lot of their beers have some sort of dog-friendly name. Mango, obviously, first and foremost, you're gonna get the tart acidity. Sometimes when people are drinking with that sour beer, you get that acidity. Be reminiscent a little bit of lemon zest or lemon juice or lime juice. Not so much in this one. Mango kind of dominates everything a little bit here.
Well, if you're in Toronto, gotta check out Black Lab. Not only do they specialize in sours, they have quite the eclectic mix of beer.
And a good barrel aging program as well, if you're interested in barrel aged beers. Usually at the end of the year, you're gonna find some imperial stouts, barley wines, which are quite good, and you don't get too many of those in breweries in and around the Toronto area. Something to look out for.
One of the coolest spots in the hip, awesome neighborhood of Leslieville, so make sure to check it out. Thank you very much for watching this week's beer tasting.
Cheers. Craft beer is here.